In this video, we are going to use the angle of elevation and the angle of depression to find a missing side. First, let's look at this picture here. This person, he is the airport ground crew, so he directs the airplane to land. So, and now let's look at the picture that I just draw here. So this is the airport ground crew, and this is the airplane that this crew the airport ground crew try to help the pilot to land. So the angle of elevation is the angle formed by the horizontal line and the line of sight from the cruise to the airplane above the cruise. Okay, so this is the angle of elevation. Next, angle of depression is the angle formed by, again, a horizontal line and the line of sight, and this line is from the pilot look down for the direction from the ground crew. So if the pilot look down, that angle will be the angle of depression. Now let's begin with example 1. An airport ground crew worker who is 6 feet tall is directing a plane on a runway. If the worker sights the plane at an angle of elevation of 32 degrees, what is the horizontal distance from the worker to the plane? So let's draw a picture. So I'm going to draw a very tiny picture of the airport cruise. So this person, 6 feet tall. And now I'm going to draw, so again this picture does not draw to scale, okay? I'm going to draw the airplane that try to land. So the angle of elevation from the airport cruise will be this angle here, and this angle is 32 degrees on a acute angle. Let me divide my number, make them look beautiful. 32 degrees. And we also tell you that in this case we also tell you that the vertical distance from the plane to the ground, this distance is 150 feet. So now we want you to find the horizontal distance. So first I'm going to go ahead and make it become a right triangle. And we want you to find the horizontal distance from the cruise to the airplane. Okay, so let's do a variable. Let's use the letter x. Okay, we want you to find x, which is the horizontal distance. So first, we know that the vertical distance from the plane to the ground is 150. Now, since the worker is 6 feet tall, so therefore the vertical distance, so I'm going to make a note right here, the vertical distance from the worker to the plane is 150 minus 6, so 144 feet. So now we know this distance is 144 feet. Then we see that we know the opposite. So this is the opposite. And we need to find the adjacent. So we only use the tangent. So tangent of 32 degrees is opposite divided by adjacent. Now we are going to multiply each side by x. So therefore x times tangent of 30 degrees is 144. So make a note for ourselves. Multiply each side by x. Now next to 5x, we go ahead and divide each side by tangent of 32, not 30, I'm so sorry, 32 degrees. Let me update my, let me correct my number, 32. Okay, so therefore x equals 144 divided by tangent of 32 degrees, and put in your calculator and make sure you mode in degrees. So therefore the horizontal distance will be around 230 feet. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's move on to example 2. Let's read the example 2 and draw a picture. Maybe when we read, we'll go ahead and highlight the important facts. A group of hikers on a camping trip climbed to the top of a 1,500 foot mountain. So this is the height. When the hiker looked down, so it means that when you look down, the angle that by the horizontal line and the line of sight will be the angle of depression. At the angle of depression of 36 degrees, they can see the campsite in the distance. What is the horizontal distance between? So we want to look for horizontal distance between the campsite and the group. So let's draw the picture. So we know the height of the mountain is 1,500. Okay. So this is the top of the mountain and it's 1,500 feet. And the angle of depression. So it means this group of height look down. So this angle could be 36 degrees. And we want to find the distance. This is where the camp is. So we want to find the distance, the horizontal distance between the campsite and the group. So I'm going to call this x. So we want to find x. Okay, so let's begin. Now we know this angle is 36 degrees. And we know that the two lines, this horizontal line and the horizontal line below, these two lines, they are parallel. So by using the theorem that when you have two parallel lines and the third line intersect, then you will have the interior angle. They must be equal. So therefore, if this angle is 36 degrees, then this angle also 36 degrees. So now we look at here. We know the angle, the acute angle, the opposite was 1,500. So this side will be the opposite, and we want to find the adjacent. So therefore, we are going to use tangent. So tangent of 36 degrees equal opposite divided by adjacent. Next, we are going to multiply x to both sides. So therefore, x times tangent of 36 degrees equal 1,500. So make a note right here, multiply each side by x. Next, we are going to divide each side by tangent of 36. So therefore, x equal 1,500 divided by tangent of 36. So I make a note right here, divide each side by tangent of 36 degrees. Then x is about 2,065 feet. And I'm going to highlight this, so this will be our answer. Okay, so let's write down the summary. In this video, we learned it. How to use angle of elevation and angle of depression. To find missing side of a right triangle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in class. Goodbye.